Yep, this one. Oh my god, no way. Oh, Good morning guys, welcome back to another episode. It's about 7 o'clock now and I'm doing a solo mission trying to get some food for tonight. The missus wants some fish wraps, so I gotta get some fish. Today's target is the bonito. Cars here already, not sure if they're fishing. Most likely they are, so I'm gonna quickly gear up and hop to the rocks. Man, look at the conditions. Completely calm. Sun's coming over now and it's just super calm. It's amazing. Man, I just rolled my ankle. Hasn't been like 5 steps down yet. I rolled my ankles. Alright, so I never used one of these jigs before. Never caught anything on them before, so first time. So it was the first time for everything. Properly using my Stella today. Yep, fish on. Oh, first cast. Whoa, first cast. Oh my god, no way. No way. First time using this jig, first cast on the Stella. The new Stella my missus bought me. Ah, yes. Come on. Oh, this is awesome. Ooh. Yo, that's pulling some serious drag. Let's go. Oh. Come on. Yo. Hope I'm recording this right now. Oh my god. What is it? Bonito? Oh, kingfish? Oh, it's a kingfish. Oh no, it's rubbing me off on the rocks. Oh no. Come on. Kingfish. It's a kingfish. It's a kingfish. Wow. Wow. No way. No way. Yo, have a look at that, guys. First cast on that metal jig. What the hell? Gonna give this guy a measure. We'll quickly put him in here for now. Gonna give this guy a quick measure. Oh, 10 centimeters short. That's right, we'll let this guy go. That's awesome. Solid run. Solid kingfish and a half. Alright, put this guy back. Where's the weight? There it is. on. That's my second kingfish ever on fishing rod. First fish on the metal jig as well. Holy crap, I've never done that before, that's insane. Oh, got a hit. Yeah, fish on. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go, fish on. Yep, fish on. Let's go. Legal kingfish or bonito? Come on, one of them. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Shook's missing out. He wishes he came this morning. Wow. Ah, okay. Tiny bonito. But you know what? We'll take him. We need some food, so we'll keep this guy for now. Ah, this is awesome. I love this jig. I think the birds are eating my fish. No, not my fish. Come on, come on. Bruh. So I left my fish here, left it in the water, and the birds came and ate it. Oh no, they destroyed it. I don't know about you, but I am not eating this now. Kind of gross. Man. So now we're down to 0 fish again, just because I'm not taking this guy home. The birds already ate it. Looks pretty gross. Sun's up pretty high now. No bites at the moment, but I'm gonna keep trying. So that's it for another episode, guys. I'm just stoked that I caught the kingfish on just that jigging technique. Like, I've never caught fish on that before. It wasn't legal, unfortunately, but that's alright. You know, we'll catch a bigger one soon. Can't believe I caught it on first cast though. Had no idea what I was doing, honestly. I honestly don't know how to use it. I've just been watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos and just mimicking what people do. I'm gonna call it a day. It's 9:30 at the moment. Only fished for about 2 hours. No luck after that. The sun's up high now. All the fishermen have left, so it's just me and the birds out there. If you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a comment, like, or subscribe, and catch you guys in the next episode.